Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today, let's quickly change the wiper blades of the Maruti Suzuki Ritz. Having a clear vision while you drive, especially in the monsoon, is a must, which is why the wiper blades must be changed every 6 to 12 months. Now, I change mine every 12 months, which is at the beginning of every monsoon. If, like me, you have these J-hook type wiper arm, you either have these wiper blades or you're looking to upgrade or already have these frameless wiper blades. Now, while both of them are equally good, this provides a little better wiping efficiency. To remove the wiper blade, just tilt it and pull it out. Now, if you're looking to replace it with the similar kind wiper blade, we'll just put this inside here and align it with the groove and just pull it up, and once you hear the click, it's done. Put these frameless wiper blades. These typically come with a cover which you can just flip it up, and there is where the hook goes. So we'll just put this in, align it with the hook, and we'll pull it up, and we'll just put the cover, and it's as easy as that. Later on, if you plan to change these wiper blades, to remove this, just flip the cover and pull it down. So there it is. We have changed our wiper blades. If you guys enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, do consider subscribing to the channel for more such content, and I'll see you on the next one.